multiplication any number by 9. For example, 19 into 9. First write down here. Now 10 minus, it is the ones place, that means 10 minus 9, it is the 1. Now write in is the ones place 1. Okay, next it is the right here total number is the 19 minus 1 plus and tens place number 1. Now 19 minus 2, answer is 17. Now write is the 17. Now it is the second example, 98 into 9. Now 10 minus is ones place number, and 10 minus 8, answer is the 2. Now here 98 minus 1 plus tens place number 9. Now 98 minus 1 plus 9, answer is the 10. Now 98 minus 10, answer is the 8. Now it is answer 8.